Today I'm going to share how I paint larkspur or delphinium. I've wet my paints. I have 2 glasses of water. I'm using a number 6 round brush and 100% cotton watercolor paper. Doesn't matter what brand you use, just make sure it's 100% cotton and it's made for watercolor. I'm going to mix up a little puddle of blues. And I'm going to put some on the paper, little tiny buds at the top, and I'll make them bigger little blobs as I go down. And think of a cone shape, an upside down cone, and kind of make your flowers, little squiggle flowers in that shape, an upside down triangle. And as you go down, broaden them out a little bit. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. With just water. Now I'm going to go back in and soften up some of those flowers. Makes another tone of color there, a lighter color, like some of these flowers are in the background. I decided to add a few more blooms there at the bottom. There we go. Now I'm going to take some green paint, use whatever green you want, and I'm going to put in a little unopened bud at the top, and another, and a couple of stems. Now, the blue paint is still wet, so the green from these stems is going to flow into the wet flowers. If you don't want that to happen, you need to let your blue paint dry first. But I don't mind it at all. I love that about watercolor, how the paint flows and mixes. Now with just water, I'm softening those little lines up a little bit, and I'm going to grab some yellow. I'm going to pop some yellow into the center of some of these flowers. And the yellow is also going to bloom because it's being applied to wet areas of the paper. Those blue flowers are still wet. I'm going to do the same exact thing over here with some purple. Little tiny buds at the top. And I'm going to get a little wider, a little bigger as I go down the stem. These are loose florals. They don't have to be precise. Add some water and soften those up, just like I did with the blue ones. I'm just taking a magenta color and plopping those in the center of some of these flowers. Let that mix in with the purple. All right, back at the green. Couple green buds at the top. And then add little peaks of stem in here and there. Soften those with water. Adjust as needed. I'm always adding more and more. Now, because I like things in odd numbers, it's more visually appealing, I'm going to make a little faint one in the background with some pinks. A little softer, a little lighter, putting in the little green stems. And of course it has to have a stem at the bottom too. With clean water, I'm just softening those up as well, spreading them out a little bit. There you have it. I know you can do it. I hope you give it a try.